Alright, so in this video, we are required to solve this proportion. When we're talking about proportion, basically, proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. When we say ratio basically means the fraction of two quantities, right? So when we're talking about proportion, it actually establishes that two ratios are, meaning that 3/7 will be equal to 6/x minus 4. So we are looking for the value of x that will make 3/7 to be equal to what? 6 over that value. So this left hand side must be equal to this right hand side. So how do we solve it? Straight to the point. All we need to do is just to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to be having what? 3 into bracket x minus 4. This one comes here and this one goes there. Will be 7 times what? 6. So we use 3 to open the bracket. We have 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times minus 4, that is minus 12. It's got to 7 times 6, that is what? 42. Okay, so we can collect like terms. Minus 12 come here, become plus. So we have 3x will now be 42, right, plus 12. So the question is, what is 42 plus 12? That is 54. So 3x will give us what? 54. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 3, divided by 3. 3 cancel what's 3. So x will now be equal to 54 over 3. That will give us what? 18. So the value of x that will make the left hand side of this to be equal to the right hand side is what? 18. So let's check. So let's check if that is true. So check. So by checking, we have 3/7 is equal to what? 6 over what? X minus 4. So this will be what? 3/7 is equal to 6 over what? 18 minus 4. And what is 18 minus 4? 18 minus 4 will give us 14. 2 in 6, that's 3. 2 in 14, that is 7. You can see that this side is equal to this side. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And if you want to give a donation, please kindly check the next slide after this video for the necessary information. See you in the next video. Thank you.